So this is a boat that came in this morning, and it's an OMC Cobra, and had a gimbal bearing replaced by the owner not long ago. And I'm sure you could hear that. So it's dry as it can be, and it made the classic gimbal bearing roar. So just going to replace the gimbal bearing and probably everything will be fine. And we're not quite sure what all of that is, but we'll clean that up too. And he's got a inner shift problem issue. But once we replace the gimbal bearing, the noise should go away. The U-joints seemed really good. Put a new impeller in it. It wasn't pumping water this morning, but that's probably one of the worst impellers that I've seen, so we now know why it's not pumping water. It's because the impeller is bad, and I think that was supposed to have just been changed too.